Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a 2023 195S by Yamaha. Starting in the rear of the boat, we've got sea decking. You'll notice that it's got a lot of space back here to sit. We've got a walk-through area here. This is a removable cushion that you can walk on or sit facing forward. Sea deck is also continued in the floor of the boat all the way through the cockpit and the bow area. Dual captain chairs, bolsters, integrated stereo system with digital dash, tilt steering wheel, ample stereo seating in the front and the bow area, upgraded speakers. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Come by and see this Yamaha or any of the others that we've got in stock. We'll be glad to hook you up.